It's only been a week since we got our hands onto the Samsung's Galaxy Fold 5 lineup. However, it seems like the next generation is already in motion. Exciting news suggests that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 might bring a change to its cover display, and this change brings us joy. According to renowned leaker Ice Universe on Twitter, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could take inspiration from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was previously rumored to have a wider display. This implies that the Z Fold 6 might also feature a cover display deviating from the slim screen design seen in previous Z Fold devices. Interestingly, prototype images indicate that this increased width won't compromise the height of the screen like with Google Pixel Fold. When we had hands-on experience with Pixel Fold, we discovered that the wider screen made it more convenient to use compared to the form of Z Fold series. Not was it more comfortable to hold. Also less constricting overall during usage. There have been rumors circulating about the possibility of a redesign for the Z Fold 6. A recent tweet from Ice Universe might provide a glimpse into one direction. It's unclear whether Samsung had intended to make the phone wider for the generation or if it's drawing inspiration from Google. Either way, we would be thrilled to witness the version of this prototype design on the phone. Ice Universe has mentioned that this Z Fold 6 prototype closely resembles the concepts of the S24 Ultra, which they now claim have been confirmed by the supply chain. This implies that the Z Fold 6 design might feature edges and angular corners compared to the rounded corners and edges seen on the Z Fold 5. However, both devices seem to have bezels, and we hope this aspect doesn't persist in the final product. After witnessing the bezels on the Pixel Fold, we definitely don't want to see this specific design choice make a comeback. Notably, this prototype lacks a cutout for a selfie camera. It could simply be because it's not necessary at this stage, or perhaps Samsung is considering incorporating an under-display selfie camera on the screen. If that turns out to be true, we genuinely hope for an improvement in photo quality. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that the Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't scheduled for launch until next year, and it's unlikely that we'll see the Z Fold 6 until mid to late summer. Therefore, there is time for these designs to undergo changes, for better or worse. We'll need to be patient and observe how things unfold. In the meantime, you can stay on top of all the latest news and rumors about the next Samsung flagship on our channel, and if you really enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you in the next one. Peace out.